So you're thinking about hiring an agency to run your influencer marketing. Smart move. But before you sign anything, there are 3 key questions you've got to ask to make sure you're not just wasting your money and your time. Number 1, who's supporting my account and how do we work together? First, you need to know exactly who will be handling your account. Are you getting the A team, or are they going to pass you off to some junior exec buried under 15 other clients? And what's the workflow like? Clear communication and collaboration are key to making these campaigns work. You need someone who knows your brand inside and out, not just a faceless agency logo. Number 2, how do you measure success? Next, let's talk metrics. It's not enough for an agency to say, oh, your campaign did great. You need hard numbers. Ask how they measure success. Is it engagement, conversion rates, long-term brand lift? Get specifics on what data they're tracking and how often they report back. Agencies love to dazzle you with vanity metrics. Don't fall for it. Make sure they're aligned with your real business goals. Number 3, what does creator sourcing and selection look like for my campaign? Finally, ask how they're going to source creators for your campaign. Are they just pulling names from a database, or are they diving deep into finding influencers who fit your brand? Creator selection is where the magic happens, or where it falls apart. You want a partner who understands your audience and aligns you with the right talent, not just influencers with big follower counts. Quality over quantity, always. So there you go, 3 questions to keep you from getting burned by the wrong agency. Make sure they can answer these clearly before you even think about moving forward.